also cooperating to you. So I would like to call all the organizers in this platform, Professor R.K. Shukla, Dr. Dilshad Ahmed Ansari, Dr. Dharmendra Yadav, Dr. Nishant Kumar Pandey, Dr. Shiva Sethi. So kindly come and join in this platform. This is the validity session. So first of all, I would like to invite Professor R.K. Shukla sir. Professor R.K. Shukla sir. He is visible. I think I will call again. Now I would like to call Dr. Dilshad Ahmed Ansari.
हाज़रीन जलसा, मैं इस यादगार मौके पर यहाँ पर आए तमाम डिग्नेटरीज का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। और मैं अमीरुद्दौला इस्लामिया डिग्री कॉलेज से, जो कि मैं अमीरुद्दौला हेलो
यस दिलशाद जी, आपकी आवाज आ रही है।
अच्छा। मैं अमीरुद्दौला इस्लामिया डिग्री कॉलेज से कन्वीनर की हैसियत से मैं आप लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं। ये कॉलेज जो है 1894 में इस्टेब्लिश हुआ था और एक मदरसे के शेप में, मदरसा जो है अरबी शब्द है जिसका मतलब है एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन, और 1850 में गुरुकुल प्रथा इसके पहले चल रही थी। बीच में लॉर्ड मैकाले साहब आ गए और बीच में फिर उन्होंने अपनी अंग्रेजी शिक्षा शुरू कर दी और इस शिक्षा में जो है आपकी जो पब्लिक स्कूल है, कॉन्वेंट स्कूल है, इन सारी चीज़ों को शुरू कर दिया था। इसी बीच में ये मदरसे को फिर जब अंग्रेजी शासन ने जो है आगे बढ़ाना शुरू किया तो मैनेजिंग कमेटी बन गई 1916 में। 1916 के बनने के बाद फिर 1918 में इसको जो रजिस्टर्ड किया गया तो माननीय राजा सर मोहम्मद साहब ने इसको रजिस्टर्ड किया था और धीरे धीरे तरक्की करते करते अब वो डिग्री कॉलेज तक पहुंच गया है। 127 साल हो गए हैं। सिल्वर जुबली, गोल्डन जुबली, डायमंड जुबली और प्लेटिनम जुबली तक हम पहुंच गए। 125 साल के ऊपर हमें कार्यक्रम करना था, चूँकि कोविड आ गया, कार्यक्रम हम नहीं कर सके। अब हमारे ख्याल से जो सुशील जी के नाम ये लिखा हुआ था सेहरा, इन्होंने ये प्रोग्राम करा दिया, कॉलेज को बहुत दूर तक पूरे भारत के अंदर पहुंचा दिया। एक हमारे कल 150 पार्टिसिपेंट इसके अंदर मौजूद रहे हैं और नॉर्थ ईस्ट, वेस्ट, साउथ, हर जगह से लोग इसमें मौजूद रहे और हर भाषा के लोग इसमें मौजूद रहे। और इसमें हमारे कॉलेज के डॉक्टर मोहम्मद साजिद साहब, हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट, डॉक्टर मोहम्मद आकिल, डॉक्टर सुल्तान अहमद, नसीम सिद्दीकी और हमारे प्रिंसिपल जो है डॉक्टर अब्दुल कयूम साहब जिन्होंने परमिशन दी, हमारे मैनेजर जो इसके चीफ पैटर्न है ज़फ़र याब जिलानी साहब, जो उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार के पिछली सरकार में जो है एक्स एडिशनल एडवोकेट जनरल भी रहे और इस वक्त उनकी तबीयत खराब है लेकिन अब ठीक है, शीघ्र ही हम लोगों के बीच में वो आ जाएंगे। और उनका कैरेक्टर इतना ज़बरदस्त था कि हमारे कॉलेज में एक फिल्म भी बनी थी उनके कैरेक्टर के ऊपर, वो आप देखना चाहें तो देख लीजिएगा, जॉर्डी LLB 2। इसमें अक्षय खन्ना साहब ने उसमें रोल अदा किया, अक्षय कुमार, और उसमें जो हीरोइन रही हैं वो कोई हुमा कुरैशी नाम की थी, उन दोनों ने उसमें रोल प्ले किया है। इसके अलावा जो इसमें प्रोग्राम में हमारे जो कामाख्या प्रकाश मिश्रा जी बड़े धैर्य पूर्वक 3 दिन उन्होंने कार्यक्रम को संभाला। इसके पहले भी मैं वेबिनार में उनको देख चुका हूँ, बहुत ही टैलेंटेड, बहुत ही काबिल हैं, संभालने के अंदर बड़ी सलाहियतें हैं। रंजन झा साहब हैं, एक शिव कुमार मिश्रा जी हैं, हमारे यहाँ लखनऊ में भी रहे, अब तो इंदिरा गांधी नेशनल ट्राइबल यूनिवर्सिटी जो है अमरकंटक मध्य प्रदेश में पहुँच गए हैं। लखनऊ विश्वविद्यालय के अनिल मिश्रा जी, निशामणि पांडे जी, शिवा सेठी जी, निशांत कुमार, सुशील कुमार, DK यादव और श्वेता सिंह, इन लोगों ने तो बहुत मेहनत की है। मतलब इस कार्यक्रम को तैयार करने के लिए, सही करने के लिए प्रेजेंट करने के लिए, मतलब हर लेवल पे उन्होंने पूरी तैयारी की है। और इसमें जिन लोगों ने पेपर हमने देखा, बहुत ऐसी ऐसी जगहों से पेपर आए जिनका मैंने नाम भी नहीं सुना था। जैसे अनिंदा गुप्ता जी का है, बारखापुर, हमारे ख्याल वेस्ट बंगाल से हैं, और वहाँ पढ़ता है। एक और जो है तेरा वेरा गायत्री जी हैं, कोई एर्नाकुलम से हैं। एक कीर्ति जयंत मार्कंडे हैं, ये हमारे ख्याल नवी मुंबई से हैं, मिजोरम से हैं। और हमारे यहाँ जो है फैशन डिज़ाइनर भी उन्होंने प्रेजेंट किया है, मिसेस निशाद मिर्ज़ा जी ने। और इसके अलावा जो लोगों ने और जो प्रेजेंट पेपर जो जिन्होंने प्रेजेंट किया है, इसमें अनिल जो है शशिकांत शर्मा जी हैं, पूनम जैन हैं, योगेश कुमार हैं, निशा मणि पांडे हैं, मेनका घोषाल है, प्रियंका सिंह, धर्मेंद्र यादव हैं। ये सारे लोग उन्होंने। और मेन जो हमारे आर के शुक्ला जी हैं, उनकी सदारत में हम लोग कर रहे हैं। वो अपना जो उनका स्टाइल है, हर एक को प्रोग्राम में भी उसी तरीके से सबको गाइड करते रहे और लगातार वो टाइम देते रहे। और ज़्यादातर इसमें जो नई शिक्षा नीति आई है वो लोकल लैंग्वेज को प्रमोट करने के लिए है। और मैं अब रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा सुशील जी से कि अगली बार जो आप कॉन्फ्रेंस कराएं, क्योंकि हर लैंग्वेज में आदमी बोल सकता है, तो वो बोले, जिससे हर एक को जो है सोचने समझने का मौका मिले। क्योंकि हमने देखा कि आपके नॉर्थ ईस्ट से भी हैं, साउथ से भी हैं, तो सब इंग्लिश में ही ज़्यादातर सब पेपर यहाँ पर आए हैं। लेकिन अब की जब कराइएगा तो उनको अपनी भाषा में भी बोलने का मौका दीजिएगा। तो उनके लिए मैं शुक्रिया अदा करने के लिए, गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल। आई डेम इट ग्रेट ऑनर एंड प्रिविलेज टू process a vote of thanks on this memorable occasion to all dignitaries assembled here. Let me first of all start by giving glory to Almighty God for making this conference a resounding success. I would like to thank our chief guest, invited speaker, chief guest हमारे NP सिंह साहब थे, और हमारे बहुत से स्पीकर रहे, बहुत से पार्टिसिपेंट रहे, who honored this conference with their presence. I think all the well-wishers for their unstained support for the conference. For this conference, I owe special gratitude to non-teaching staff who have worked hard to ensure that this conference becomes a memorable. Last but not least, I would like to thank all the participants and volunteers for making this conference a grand success. Once again, I thank one and all present here. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दिलशाद साहब, आपके अल्फाज से हम लोग जो है बहुत प्रभावित हुए हैं, और बहुत अच्छा जो है आपने बोला है, और काफी सहयोग किया है इस 3 दिवसीय जो है राष्ट्रीय अंतर्विषयक जो शोध है, बहुत है ना, अंतर्विषय शोध पे जो हम लोगों ने सम्मेलन आयोजित किया, उसमें आपका बहुत बहुत सहयोग, और आपके संस्था की तरफ से आपने बहुत महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका आपने निभाई है। और मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ मनराज कुंवर सिंह एजुकेशन सोसाइटी के चेयरमैन मिसेस श्वेता सिंह, और अमृतदौला इस्लामिया डिग्री कॉलेज के प्रबंधक जनाब जफर जनाब जिलानी साहब, जो कि बहुत जाने माने हस्ती हैं अपने देश में ही नहीं, जैसा कि भी बताया इन्होंने दिलशाद साहब की, पूरी दुनिया में उनका नाम है। और उनके इस महाविद्यालय के साथ जुड़ करके मनराज कुंवर सिंह एजुकेशन सोसाइटी, जो भी बहुत चर्चित सोसाइटी है, जिस सोसाइटी के तहत बहुत सारे हायर एजुकेशन की एकेडमिक एक्टिविटी होती है, वर्कशॉप है, सेमिनार हैं, और रिसर्च पेपर्स हैं, पब्लिकेशंस है, डिफरेंट एकेडमिक हायर एक्टिविटीज आर इंक्लूडेड एंड गवर्न्ड बाय द MKS एजुकेशन सोसाइटी। सो मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ जफर याब जिलानी साहब का, शुक्रगुजार हूँ डॉक्टर अब्दुल कयूम जी का, शुक्रगुजार हूँ डॉक्टर दिलशाद अहमद अंसारी साहब का, जिन्होंने दोनों संस्थाओं को संयुक्त रूप से चलाने का जो है सहयोग किया, और ये इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी रिसर्च को चलाने में बहुत ही इन लोगों का सहयोग रहा है। तो मैं अभी बहुत सारी बातों को रोक करके, हमारे जजेस ने सारे डिसीजंस ले लिए हैं। हमारे मेडिकल साइंस के जो जजेस हैं उन्होंने भी अपना डिसीजन दे दिया है, लाइफ साइंस के जो जजेस हैं उन्होंने भी अपना डिसीजन दे दिया है, केमिकल साइंस के जो जजेस हैं उन्होंने भी अपना डिसीजन दे दिया है, और स्टैटिकल साइंस के जो भी जज हैं उन्होंने भी अपना दे दिया है, कंप्यूटर साइंस की भी दे दिया है, फैशन अदर में हमने फैशन डिजाइनिंग और भी चीजों को इंक्लूड किया है, उसके भी आ चुके हैं। तो ये हमारे पास सारे जो है अब तक हम रिसीव कर चुके हैं बेस्ट ओरल और बेस्ट पोस्टर प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए। तो मैं 1 by 1 जो है रीड कर रहा हूँ, विथ परमिशन ऑफ जजेस, विथ परमिशन ऑफ ऑल ऑर्गेनाइजिंग मेंबर्स। सो फॉर द बेस्ट ओरल प्रेजेंटेशन इन मेडिकल साइंस, abstract ID A28, Dr. Neelam Bajaj. She got best oral presentation in medical science, abstract ID A28, Dr. Neelam Bajaj. So a big clap for her. I request you all kindly big clap for her. She is present or not? Dr. Neelam Bajaj.
Dr. Sushil, first you announce and then will be
Okay.
look out the reviews after the award, after the
And
declaration.
second position got Miss Aditi Johari in medical sciences. She got best oral presentation, who abstract ID 821, Miss Aditi Johari. Now again Miss Niharika Pandey, abstract ID A53. She got best oral presentation in life sciences. Again, Dr. Poonam Jain, whose abstract ID A39, she got best oral presentation in physical science. Again, Dr. Yogesh Kumar, abstract ID A35, he got best oral presentation in physical science. Now come in statistical science. A49, Mr. Ratan Kumar Thakur, he got best oral presentation in statistical science. And A57, Miss F. Lalthla, she belongs from Shillong, Mizoram. She got best oral presentation in statistical science. So now again in chemical science, abstract ID A78, Dr. Sunil Dhaire, he got best oral presentation in chemical science. Now in computer science, abstract ID A55, Mrs. Afsan Tabassum, she got best oral presentation in computational science. In other, abstract ID A74, Miss Nisat Mirza, she got best oral presentation in fashion designing and other. Now I come to for poster presentation.
Thank you so much, sir, for considering me for this oral.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I come for poster presentation. Mr. Kausal, actually our judges forwarded your details in my WhatsApp number, so abstract ID is missing, but don't worry, we will recollect your ID. Mr. Kausal for best poster award, and Gaurang Kausal, and Miss Parul Yadav, she got best poster award in humanities and arts, and Miss Garima Yadav, she got best poster award in medical science, and Mr. Gaurang Kausal, he got best poster award in physical science, and MS Khan, he got best poster award in physical science. I think it has been award session. So I would like to invite Dr. Dharmendra Yadav. Dr. Dharmendra Yadav.
Thank you so much, organizing committee, for giving the best oral award and best poster award to my students. Thank you so much.
Any awardee
Thank you
want
so
to say
much.
something? Any awardee want to say
Thank you
something?
so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for best poster presentation.
I hand over to Dr. Dharmen Kumar. Kindly chair Dr. Dharmen. Yes.
Thank you, Dr. Sushil. And on
Kindly
behalf
call,
of organizing,
call to designer Nisat Mirza. She want to say something.
I just want to.
It's a
So
very
I just want to congratulate to all of you, and now I would like to invite our one of the participant, designer Nishad.
Mirza.
Yeah, madam, please say a few words about your experience.
So it's a very good platform for us, and I think ये मुझे लग रहा है कि ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स हमेशा प्रोवाइड करने चाहिए। और एज अ फैशन डिजाइनर मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम किसी कन्वोकेशन में पार्ट लिया है, तो इट्स अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी एंड फॉर माय स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो, एंड इट्स अ थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so much, madam, for your nice words, and we hope that your support and your cooperation will be continue in near future also. So please be with us. And if any other participant want to say something, please most welcome.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
madam.
would like
Please.
to thank the organizing committee for considering my work as a best oral presentation, and they have recognized my hard work. And at last, I want to congratulate the whole organizing team for the 3-day national conference as a grand success. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, madam. It's the success is just because of all the participants like you. You have contributed so many research papers, your hard work in this conference. Yeah, so that makes this whole conference successful. So if any other participants, or so on behalf of organizing committee, myself, Dr. Dharmendra Kumar Yadav, I am really thankful to all the participants, all the organizing committee members, especially Dr. Nishant Kumar, Dr. Dilshad Ahmed Ansari ji, our guide, chief patron, Professor R.K. Shukla sir, our friend and mentor, Dr. Sushil Kumar Singh, and our the chairperson of this MK Society, Mrs. Shweta Singh ji, and the patron of this Islamia College, Gilani साहब, हम सभी का धन्यवाद देते हैं, और स्पेशली हम धन्यवाद देते हैं हमारे दिलशाद अहमद अंसारी जी का। उन्होंने एमके सोसाइटी और साइंस टेक इंस्टीट्यूट और अमीरुद्दौला कॉलेज के बीच में एक कड़ी का काम किया है, एक पुल का काम किया है, दोनों संस्थानों को जोड़ने का काम किया है। इसलिए हम बहुत आभारी हैं उनके, और इस तरह से हम आभार व्यक्त करते हैं सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स की तरफ से कि इन्होंने पूरे इंडिया के एक रिसर्चर्स को एक प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड कराया है, जो कि लखनऊ, जो कि तहजीब और तमीज का शहर कहा जाता है पूरे इंडिया में, उसे एक मौका दिया है लोगों को मेहनत अपने से रूबरू कराने का। तो जब कभी भी हमारा कोविड सिचुएशन सही होंगी, तो हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप सभी ऑफलाइन मोड में भी लखनऊ में यहाँ पे आएंगे और लखनऊ की जो तहजीब है उससे वाकिफ होंगे। तो इसके साथ मैं आमंत्रित करता हूँ। नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट R.K. Shukla sir, or I would like to invite one of our organizing committee member, very active, very supportive throughout 3 years, throughout three days, Dr. Nishant Kumar.
Yes, Dr. Hello, is someone please come?
Yeah, please. Request with small request to all the participants, kindly mute yourself. And if you want to say something, then please let us know. Anu Shukla ji. Dr. Sushil, you can mute.
Yes.
First of all, I am thankful to our mentor, Professor R.K. Shukla sir, who always supported us in any type of support which we required, that was the formal or informal. Without the blessing of Professor R.K. Shukla, it is not possible to us to organize such an event, such a big event, because the Amritdaulah Islamia College is or whenever he organized any conference, then the list, the number of presenter is going more than 100. It is the record of the Amritdaulah Islamia Degree College. Only last year we organized, and the participant is more than 150 participants. In this year we organized with the reputed society and Science Tech Institute in Lucknow, which established and growing such academic events which organized by any society or institute, which involve with the other colleges and grow up the interdisciplinary research, and they communicate each other, and they give a platform to researcher to communicate their research. That was the big initiative taken by Dr. Sushil Singh, who established his society, and they're doing such events. So I am also thankful to Dr. Sushil Singh and the chairman of the society, Ms. Sweta. And I am also thankful to the manager of the Amritdaulah Islamia Degree College, who always allowed to us to make such an event, because without his permission, it is not possible to us to make such an event. The senior advocate Jafar Abdilani Sahab, and also we are thankful to Principal Dr. Abdul Qayyum, who is also ready for the help, and Dr. Dilsad Ahmed Ansari is the most popular face in the Lucknow in the LUACTA. He is also the member of active member of LUACTA, and always supported, always ready for support to every teachers. And whole team, Dr. Dharmendra Kumar Yadav, Dr. Siva Sethi, is a rigorous working of this. It is possible to come to this level. We have almost done 18 sessions of the invited talk, oral presentation, and poster presentation, and about 90 oral presentation and 15 poster presentation. It is the big event. It is not generally possible, not generally occurs in the little conference. It is this data shows that this is a big event, and almost all part of the country we touches. The participant from Mizoram, participant from Maharashtra, participant from West Bengal, participant from the South, and the North is already included. So we make a huge event, which can be a remark for the Amritdaulah Islamia College and the Science Tech Society, Science Tech Institute, and the MKS Society, which can be helpful for the growing the both institution. So I am thankful to everyone who is involved in this conference, directly or indirectly. We supported in the backdrop, back office work, and I am thankful to everyone which is involved in this conference for organizing, and most especially I am thankful to all invited speakers, especially Professor N.V. Singh, Professor Anil Mishra, Sir, Dr. Kamakhya Prakash Mishra, Dr. Shiv Kumar Mishra, and many other, Dr. Yogesh Kumar, Dr. Poonam Jain, which are showing here, Dr. Siva Sethi, and Dr. Nishat, designer Nishat Fatima, and many more, which I am not seeing here and not remember the name. And without the participation of invited speaker and participant who has presented his paper, its conference cannot be completed. So I am heartily thankful to everyone to those involved in this conference directly or indirectly. I am thankful to everyone. Thank you. Dr. Dharmendra.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Nishant, for your vote of thanks. You have covered all the aspects of this conference and your contribution in this success. We are really thankful to you from all the participants. Yeah, from all.
It is not possible for anyone. The teamwork, and you.
Yeah, it's a teamwork, and as a team, we can say that we have from the feedbacks of the participants. We are happy to say that we have done the better job. We can say that. So as a member of organizing committee, as a member of this part of this conference, I would like to congratulate to all the members who is associated with us directly or indirectly. And it's actually in offline mode. such type of events are not possible. Actually, such crowd, we don't, miscellaneous crowd, we have never seen. Like one person from North India to South India, Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and Northeast to Gujarat. So many peoples are there. And we have recognized so many, young minds and researchers in their field, which are doing wonderful job in terms of Global Research Award. So we have also recognized their work and give them platform in this pandemic situation. So with this, I'm thankful to all of you. Now I would like to invite our mentor, Professor R.K. Shukla sir. So if you are present, please. Yeah,
Actually,
Dr. Sushil.
Actually, Professor Shukla sir is in meeting in Lucknow University.
Okay,
So he called
so-
me and he will come
no
after
issue,
some
there is
time.
no
Right
issue.
now he is busy in meetings.
Okay, no problem. And Yogesh Kumarji, if you want to say something, you have written in the chat box.
Yes.
Yes, please.
You are audible?
Yes, yes, audible,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, you are
Actually,
audible.
I am on some route, so from route I am say something that I want to congratulate to whole organizing team, and I want to just say big thanks to all the team members who have organized such a nice event and giving the opportunity for the invited and World Talk. And thank you so much for giving me this award for the best oral, and also to my student for the poster presentation. Thank you so much, each and every.
Thank you so much for your nice words. So now we can wind up, sir. Dr. Sushil.
Invite to any participant want to say.
Yeah. I would like to invite. So now I would like to invite our a very active member of our organizing team, Dr. Shiba Shetty, who is, I think, with us. She is a very active member of our team and a very good researcher. So, madam, please say a few words about your experience.
Thank you, Dr. D.K. Yadav, for calling me upon on this end of event. First of all, I want to emphasize on the fact that yes, this conference has been a big achievement for all of us, whosoever has been involved as an organizer as well as a participant in this conference. So I would like to thank all of us, rather as a team, to be wholly and solely involved in this conference for 3 days. Also, I want to congratulate Islamia College and Science Tech Institute for giving this platform to all other organizers as well to involve in this conference. And this was a big platform rather for all applied sciences like physical science, biology, zoology, medical science, all different sorts of branches on one platform. So big achievement. I congratulate all of us for this big achievement.
Thank you, Dr. Shiva. And I hope your support will be continue in the near future also as a team.
Sure.
So thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr.
I
Dharmesh.
specifically want to mention the name of Sushil Kumar Singh ji, who gave me this opportunity to be a part of this conference. Thank you so much for involving me in this.
Thank you,
And,
Dr. Shiva Shetty, for cooperating and as a team members. So it's time to say bye-bye. So before that, I will say your certificate and souvenir has ready, and it will send around 8 p.m. today, and in your registered email ID. Okay, certificate as well as souvenir will be sent your registered email ID. So kindly receive on your registered email ID. If you found any corrections in your certificate like name, designation, so kindly don't worry. We will send you a corrected certificate within 10 days. Okay, so kindly mail or WhatsApp on that registered WhatsApp number or registered email ID. We will our admin departments will send you within 10 days. Don't need to call you, don't need to message. So just you need to mail or WhatsApp. If any incorrection found in your certificates, so it will be corrected. So it's time to say bye-bye because we together.
Dr. Sushil, just a request from our side that we request all the participants kindly switch on your video so that we can take a group photo.
Yes.
Yeah, that will be the better for getting the good memories.
Yes.
And we will meet soon with this promise. So I request all the participants kindly switch on your video.
Hello.
If possible. Yes.
I'm not going to take a lot of time. I just want to thank the organizers because I learned so much in these 3 days, not just in physical sciences, but also so many different fields. And it was a great pleasure to be a part of such a conference. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Khan. Thank you to all of you. And with this promise that very soon we will meet online or offline, it will tell the time, this pandemic situation. But till then, please take care and be active and be busy in your research work. That's the only way you can divert your mind from this COVID situation. So thank you all.
Thank you once again, all participants, all organizers. We will meet again in programs. So
yes, please keep in touch and
bye, good night.
Thank you all.
Thank you, everyone.
Consultants, and he received the Best Researcher Award during 3-day national conference, and in field of nanomaterial and material science. So congratulations, sir. I request to all audience kindly big clap for him. So congratulations, Professor Mainok Ghasol. So
thank you,
sir.
So
you got award for this prestigious Best Researcher Award in field of the nano technology and material science. Once again, congratulations to sir. Now I would like to invite Dr. Darsani.
Unmute yourself. Other participant, please unmute yourself.
Dr. Darsani.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Darsani. Congratulations, Dr. Darsani.
Thank you, sir.
You got Best Young Researcher in field of the life science.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations to you. We have
Excuse me, Dr. Sushil
your
Singh.
CV.
Excuse me, Dr. Sushil Singh.
Hello. Yes.
Please please mute to Malesh Kariyappa because there are noise coming from that side.
Okay.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ತದೆ.
Continue, Dr.
Congratulations to Dr. Darsani Trivedi for getting prestigious Best Young Researcher in the field of life science. So I would like to request to all audience a big clap for her.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Once again, congratulations to you, ma'am, for receiving this prestigious award. Now I would like to invite Dr. Sasikant Sharma. Is Dr. Sasikant Sharma is here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Dr. Sasikant Sharma is Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda. He got Best Young Faculty in field of life science. So congratulations you, sir. for receiving this prestigious Best Young Faculty Award.
Thank you so much, sir.
I request you to all audience, kindly big clap for him. Congratulations, you sir, for
Thank you, sir.
receiving this award. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Sarita.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Congratulations, you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Dr.
sir.
Sarita, for receiving this prestigious Best Young Scientist Award in this 3 days national conference. So,
Thank you, sir.
congratulations, you, ma'am, for receiving this
Thank you, sir.
prestigious award. And we have seen and shortlisted your CV in field of the life science with different experts members. So, big clap for him. So kindly I request to all audience for big clap for him. Sorry for her.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Now I would like to invite Dr. Deepan Adhikari. Is Deepan Adhikari here?
Certificate, you show the certificate.
Yes.
Dr. Sushil, you show the certificate.
Yes, yes. Dr. Deepan Adhikari. Dr. Deepan Adhikari, I think he is not present. So I also congratulations. I also congratulations you for best for receiving Best Young Scientist. So I would like to all audience for big for him. So we will send your certificate and trophy in your registered address. So I would like to invite Dr. Meenu Goyal. Is Dr. Meenu Goyal present?
Yes, sir.
Okay, congratulations, you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Dr. Meenu Goyal, Assistant Professor, Department of Statistics, Mata Sundari College for Women, University of Delhi, and she got Best Faculty Award and in Statistical Science. So congratulations, you, ma'am, for receiving this prestigious Best Faculty Award in Statistical Science. So I request you, all audience, kindly big clap for her. So once again, congratulations, you, ma'am, for receiving this prestigious award. And we will send your certificate and trophy in your registered address.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to Mr. Jiten Madan Pawara. Mr.
Yes, sir, I am here, sir.
Are you? Is Mr. Jiten Pawara is present?
He is present.
Yes, he is present.
I am present.
Yes, yes. Mr. Jiten Pawara received this prestigious award of Best Researcher in Chemical Science, and we have shortlisted your CV for Best Researcher in Chemical Science. So congratulations, you, sir, for receiving this prestigious award. And I would like to invite to all audience a big clap for him.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for considering, and I am grateful to you.
Congratulations,
this
we
award.
have shortlisted your CV for this award, and it is in your record. So if you want to say something, so this is in record, so you can say, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for considering me for this award. And I thank you on behalf of Changu Kana Thakur for giving honor. Thank you, sir. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite Dr. Kamlesh Jha. Dr. Kamlesh Jha. Is Dr. Kamlesh Jha present?
You show the certificate first.
Yes. Is Dr. Kamlesh is present? I think Dr. Kamlesh is not present for receiving online certificate. So don't worry, sir. First of all, I would like to say congratulations to you for receiving this Best Faculty Award in field of arts and humanities. So I think it's not better. So don't worry, sir. This is in record. So we will send your CV and trophy in your registered address. So kindly request to all audience a big clap for him. Those participants are, those awardees are not present. We will send the recording on that registered email ID. Due to some circumstance, he or she not present. So don't need to worry. We will send this recording on your registered email ID. Now, I would like to invite to Dr. Poonam Jain.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Congratulations to you.
Sir, I am here. I am
Dr.
present
Poonam
here.
Jain. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Dr. Poonam Jain, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Sri Aurobindo College, University of Delhi. He received Best Young Researcher in field of physical science. So congratulations, you ma'am, for receiving this prestigious Best Young Researcher Award and through this platform. So congratulations, you ma'am, and I to all audience kindly.
Hello.
Kindly big clap for her.
Sir, I want to say something.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you so much for considering my CV for the certificate of Best Young Researcher. I am privileged to have this platform for the 3 days interdisciplinary research jointly organized by Amrudullah Islamia Degree College and the Science Tech Institute, Lucknow, UP. This is a very good platform to interact with the young physicists from various fields because this is interdisciplinary. So I have learned so many things from various backgrounds, like people are here from chemistry, from biology, from botany, zoology, so physics, of course. So thank you so much. And I hope my research will continue the same way and I will have more awards in my career. Thank you, Professor Shukla. Thank you, Dr. Sushil. Thank you, Dr. Nishant, and the whole organizing committee, which is not in front. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Poonam Jain, for nice word and for receiving this Best Young Researcher Award. So your award and trophy will send your registered address. So thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Now I would like to invite Dr. Malays. Dr. Malays, unmute yourself. Dr. Malays, unmute yourself.
Is it audible, please?
Yes, yes, yes.
First you show the certificate.
Yes, yes, yes. So thank you, sir. Dr. Malays Karyappa, he is a professor and head of pediatrics, Department of Pediatrics, Bangalore Medical College. So congratulations, you, sir. We have shortlisted your CV in medical science for this prestigious award of Best Researcher. So you have a lot of experience, sir. Due to some time problems, we cannot read your CV, sir. But we have shortlisted your CV, and we have seen you have a good academic and research award. So we awarded this prestigious award on this platform. So congratulations you. And I request to all audience, kindly a big clap for him. Professor Malays, if you want to say something, so you can say, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone in this organization for having recognized my short the CV and recognized my research work and given the certificate of best researcher. So what I would like to add, this is one of the best platform to encourage medical professionals where research activity is far below the expectations, given the number of case loads, clinical material, and in a country of nearly 140 crores. And there should be more and more platforms to do the research, and more platform to recognize the original authentic research, so that India should become the leader in the both medical and other researchers also. And this is the good way and initiative. I congratulate all the organizers, and the same effort should continue and recognize the good initiative, innovative research in the medical profession. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for nice words. And now again, I would like to invite Dr. Pushpanjali Ojha. Is Dr. Pushpanjali Ojha here?
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible. Congratulations you, Dr. Pushpanjali Ojha. She is Assistant Professor of Pathology, Trauma Center and Central Emergency, RIMS Ranchi, and she got Best Young Faculty in field of Medical Science. So congratulations you, ma'am, for receiving this prestigious Best Young Faculty Award. And I request to all audience kindly receive kindly big clap for her.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for this.
Dr. Pushpanjali, if you want to say
Thank
any
you,
words, so you may say,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, sir. I want to say something. First, I would like to thank the entire organization for organizing such an extensive platform. So we go beyond our medical science and show how the other fields are doing. And basically, in this field, I like this nanotechnology very much. And now I can compare that these things are very much incorporated inside medical side also. So thank you once again to the entire team for giving such a platform and considering myself for this. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Pushpanjali, ma'am. And the award session has been completed. And so total number of awardees are 16 has awarded this prestigious award from different fields. So once again, congratulations and thanks to all participants. I would like to invite to our Chief Award Chair, Professor R.K. Shukla, sir. So kindly come, sir.
Firstly, I congratulate to all award winners of this prestigious awards by different nomenclature. There are 5 members who selected you in this award. There are 5 members. We are not disclose the name of these judges, but these judges are in different fields, and they can read the whole CV of all the applicants, and we get the nearly 50 applicants for these awards, and we can choose only 16 for the best of these awards. So I again congratulations to all the award winners, and I wish to progress in future also. Okay, thanks.
Thank you, Professor R.K. Shukla, sir, for blessing and for nice words, sir.
Dr. Sushil?
Yes.
Darshini Trivedi is also want to say something.
Yes. Dr. Darshini Trivedi.
Yes, sir. Thank you for this opportunity for this award. Actually, I have attended 2 workshops of this Science Tech Institute, so I'm very much connected with this. So I'm very much privileged to that my CV has been selected. So thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Darshini.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Now
Hello.
I would like to invite to Dr. KP Misra sir
To continue the session.
To continue the session. Dr. KP Misra sir.
Okay. Okay,
Hello, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Dr. Sheetal wants to say something.
Yes, sir. I'm ready for my presentation. Please allow me.
Yes, Dr. Sheetal, please share your PPT and go ahead with your presentation.
Is it visible, sir?
Yes, it is visible.
Yes, okay, sir. Myself Sheetal Chaudhary, research scholar. My topic is concept of judicial review, Indian perspective. My main keywords are.
But the size is very small. Can you increase the size of the slides?
Yes, please. 2 or 3 minutes only, please. My main keywords are judicial activism and judicial overreach. Main objectives of the studies.
Excuse me, ma'am, I want to interrupt 1 second.
Yes,
I need
yes,
1
please.
second.
Yes,
there is a announcement for the best oral and best poster presentation will be announced after this session. So the participants are requested to present in online platform. We announce the best oral and best poster presentation after this session. Okay, thank you. Please continue.
Yeah, okay. Main objective of the studies first is pressure